Hi there, Aundrea Beach-Greco here, your local mortgage expert. So this week, we're going to talk the tip of the week about gift funds. Gift funds from a family member are a blessing, right? They help you get into that home when you didn't have the down payment or the closing costs. So thank goodness for those donors. Now the donor is the person giving the gift, and they have some expectations when they're doing this, right? The first will be they're going to be expected to sign a gift letter along with yourself to be submitted to underwriting for review. And here's some tips and tricks. If the donor wires the money directly to title, we don't need the donor's bank statement sourcing the gift. Wow, isn't that amazing? One less step for you to chase down, right? But let's just say, because we think it's normal, that the donor wires the money to your account and then you're going to wire the full amount to the title company. Well, now we have one more step added, and that requires us to collect a bank statement of some sort from that donor showing that they had the funds to give. So my recommendation is if you're in the process of purchasing a home, getting a gift, have that donor wire directly to the title company, eliminating that next step and the need for that donor bank statement. If you have any questions along the way, I'm happy to help.